Good morning, everyone. Today is week 2 of my parents staying with me in New York.
Before we begin, a quick thank you to Shopify for sponsoring this video.
If you aren't up to date, my parents are recently retired and will be moving to Korea, but before they leave, I really wanted to spend a few weeks with them in New York. My dad has been productive all his life, so he's been enjoying staying active with all his free time, and we've been brainstorming what kinds of hobbies he'd be interested in. He said he'd love to take classes on painting and calligraphy, and he says he's very interested in cleaning. He's been cleaning clothes for several years, but not really the house. So I took him through my cleaning routine and taught him exactly what I do. And I'm not surprised, but he was very good and very detail-oriented.
무슨 배웠어? 익스피리언스가 아니라 또 어디서 또 기본적으로 배웠을 거예요. 유튜브에서 배웠나요?
옷의 신에서 청소의 신으로 바뀌는 거야.
The toilet paper roll fell in the sink and it got wet, so he's drawing the toilet paper roll. We are going to Naminori. Last time I took my parents here and it was their favorite place they ate at. 우와! 아, 맞다. 지은이가 인사하러 온다고 그랬어. 이제 지은이고 지은이 동생이야.
알아.
I'm currently on my way to a samyang burdak sauce event. Taking my mother and father with me. And now we're at Nordstrom Rack because my mom loves Nordstrom Rack. My mom likes to walk around a lot and just like look at things. My dad, on the other hand, not a big fan. My mom likes to look around and find some good deals. My dad, he does not like spending any money. My dad's just looking at the price of everything.
오자마자 5만에 가는데.
As long as it tastes good. I really have a preference. I was thinking about going back to Baltimore. Why? Yeah, why? Yeah,
So I wanted to pop on here and talk about my small business, and a big thank you to Shopify for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you don't know Shopify, they are a commerce platform that I use to start and grow my business, Little Puffy. This time of the year is Little Puffy's busiest time of the year. This is when we're gearing up for sweater weather, and it actually started shortly after I started my YouTube channel. A few people have suggested that I make hoodies and t-shirts so we can all match, and I just thought that was a cute idea. I just continued to do it every year, and we fulfilled it out of my parents' garage in California. Thankfully, with the amazing support of all of you guys, I was able to make a few hires, and here we are now. When I started my business, I knew nothing about running a business, but Shopify really does reduce the complexity of starting a business, and they power small businesses like mine to even some of the world's largest and biggest brands. So if you're watching this and you have a business idea and you'd like to get started, you can go to shopify.com/MichelleChoi to get a free trial.
그래 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아 다정한 밤 공기가 적당한 걸
so stupid. Good news and bad news. Let me start with the good news. Good news is I'm going to Hawaii for the first time in my life tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. We are attending a wedding. Bad news, as soon as I come back, and then on the same day at night, I have another flight to Korea.
Como una luz fugaz. Un instante que se va.
엄마, 저 끝부분도 해줘야지. 어머.
괜찮아요. 이뻐요.
엄마, 너무 엄마 떨어진다, 떨어져.
손톱이 가늘어 보이잖아.
엄마. 내
I'm so tired. We're on the way to the airport to go to Hawaii.
We just made it to our hotel. It's gorgeous. Oh, my toiletries. Picked up some spam musubis on our way to dinner. So let's give it a try out. Thank you.
That's what I needed. Have taste. Okay.
Dang, this is like from a movie.
There you go.
Thank you.
And then to get to the
Ba-da-da-da. Wow. Wow.
Look at this view. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm so excited. We are going out to a shrimp truck and we're going with some friends. It is currently 5 a.m. I'm wide awake because of the time difference. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Blair's husband is still sleeping, so I'm keeping my voice very, very low. I'm getting ready right now to go downstairs in the lobby and do some editing because the lobby is really pretty and the view is really nice. Now let's go down to the lobby and get some work done.
Got to the lobby, and I believe this is where the sun will rise, which is going to be so pretty. There's like water back there. Behind me is the beach, so it's going to be so pretty. Oh my gosh, I was waiting by the wrong side. The sunrise.
Video.